Hey again, friends. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how we're making our face shields to help our first responders. So we cut from raw material. So this is an 030 PETG. We're also using an 020 as well. It's very hard to find right now. I have a couple suppliers who said they could find it like in middle of May. We have quite a bit on order. I've heard of also other people using polycarbonate, so that's another option if you're looking for a good, like the shield material. So we cut these pieces. We cut 16 or 32 per sheet. So you can see it's kind of a, it's got a film on here, but it's a really nice clear plastic. So we'll cut these once we're done. There's little holes here that will pop out. I'll grab one so you can see how those pop out after they're cut. So those, you just bend the plastic and those will pop out. And then we'll get our fingers with our gloves. Obviously, always be wearing gloves and a face mask so you're not contaminating the product. We'll get our gloves, and the latex kind of sticks to this topper a little bit. So we'll take this, pull this off. It also sticks to you, so it will be everywhere. So we'll pull this other end off. So now we've got our nice, clean piece of plastic here. So we're going to go over to this table, and I'll show you the foam process. So we have two ways of doing it, so I'll go through both ways. So the first way is we have some foam here. So this is an open cell foam. It is nice and cushy. So if you push on it, like it's really nice sitting up against the forehead, but it's a lot harder to clean. So we have this, and then we have some closed cell foam, which I'll grab a smaller piece of that. So this is our closed cell foam. So we bought our open cell foam from a place here in town called Allied Foam, but pretty much any foam supplier can get this. And they have a adhesive on the back here. So I'm going to have you get a close video of this. This adhesive sticks to this like nobody's business. So pretty much you have to pull the adhesive off of the foam. So these dental picks are a great tool for that. So you get this dental pick between the plastic and the backer. And once you get it started, this will peel right off just like so. And then you'll center it on your mask, like so. Push that down. Okay, so there's the first part of that. Then we're going to add some elastic. So if you'll come down here with me. So I've already got some pre-cut elastic pieces. We cut ours to, I believe these were 13 inches. Yeah, so 13 inches. So what I'll do is we rolled this elastic. Actually, here, we'll go ahead and find a piece here. Looks like we went through all of our full rolls. So we've got a piece here that's already pre-cut. So we cut it to a length of 14 inches. So we're going to roll this twice, so it makes like a little bit of a square there. I'm going to get a standard stapler. That one doesn't have staples. Standard stapler. Staple once one direction, once the other direction. So I kind of overlap those, but if you can see I've got a top and a bottom of the staple on either side. And that just keeps it nice and snug. And since I overlap those, they kind of bent a little bit. I'm just going to tighten them with pliers just in case. Now, this elastic strap will slide through the PETG, like so. And then it creates a really nice, if I don't knock my mask off, a really nice place to hold here. And then we'll slide this through the other side and do the process again. So I did the one side, I'm going to do the second side. Okay, so now when that sits, now it's nice and tight, right? Okay, so now we're going to go over and we're going to clean this off. So we're just using an air compressor. This is not like sterilized. Most of the hospitals are sterilizing on site, but these can also be cleaned off with like a Clorox wipe or a disinfectant. So you need to use a good disinfectant, and ideally something like not hand sanitizer because it has a moisturizer in it that'll cloud it up. So we're going to grab, we have this rolled polyfilm. So this acts like a bag for us. And we'll slide this into here and seal it. And once we've sealed it, they'll look just like this. So, and as I mentioned, we also have open and closed cell foam. So I want to show you one more thing with that. So we did the open cell foam, and that had an adhesive already on it. But we had a hard time finding closed cell foam with the adhesive in a timeline that was realistic. So we went ahead and we die cut the closed cell foam. That's the easiest way. You can also use this is like a bread knife. So if you're looking to cut a small amount of foam, this works. This takes forever compared to a die. The other thing that we've done with some success is we've used like a guillotine cutter for paper. But with this, we bought 1-inch carpet tape from Uline. So it's a really good adhesive, sticks really well to PETG. And we cut little strips and put on the back of these. So again, this dental pick is going to be like your lifesaver. You can find these at any hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, stuff like that. So we'll pull that off. And I'm not going to stick this one on because it doesn't have a piece yet. It's still filmed, but you just put it directly on and it's going to hold right onto there. So I hope this is kind of giving you like a quick overview of the process that we're doing to make the shields. So far we've been doing about 1,000 a day. Today our goal is to hit 2,200 a day. And I think we're going to get there. We've got it kind of down to a system. It's going pretty quick. So if you have questions, shoot us a direct message. If you know anybody who needs these face shields, we're happy to help you try and get them out to them. They can be ordered online at modscenes.com/product/shield. You can also send us a message on Facebook, through YouTube, or through our website, modscenes.com. And if you have questions about an order or you need to get something